Have you ever tried to sketch a service window opening in a wall? In this training, you'll learn how to create a wall opening using the Missing Wall tool. To add the service window wall opening in the kitchen, switch to Elevation View. Use the inside of the kitchen as your elevation reference. In Elevation View, missing walls can be drawn directly onto a wall surface. Click on the Missing Wall tool and drag out the opening to the correct size. Use the handle in the middle of the opening to reposition the opening as needed. Check the properties of the opening. Important properties for this type of opening include the base height property, the height property, and the goes to ceiling property. And that's it. That's how you can use the Missing Wall tool to create service window openings in Sketch.